Embracing remarriage. The concept of remarriage is still very sensitive in India. The older generation especially does not look at it with respect. However, remarriage is a wonderful option for those who have been widowed or divorced. It gives them a second chance at life. However, if you have children from your first marriage, things can get a little tricky. Let's see how. Children involved. In today's world, a child is not an automatic happening after marriage. There was a time when there was no other way. If you got married, children kept coming. But in today's world, a child is not automatic, it is generally planned. You must understand that once you have a child, you have a 20-year project at hand. Your child should be independent. Thinking just one more marriage will settle the child is a very wrong idea. It's not that it will not settle it, maybe it will. But just thinking that the child's biological father did not work, if I bring in another man, everything is going to be fine, is a very dangerous idea. Such things work only 10% of the time. 90% of the time, it creates more problems than solutions. We are not questioning why you broke your marriage. It is up to you. If you have chosen to break it, you must at least make yourself competent to play the role of being a complete parent for the child in every possible way. But because you are longing for something else, the child also longs along with you. Please do not bring up your children in such helpless ways that they are always longing for someone who is not there. Children are busy in their own way. You may have an 8-year-old boy. How much time does your 8-year-old want to spend with you? Barely any. He is busy with his own stuff unless you made him into such a helpless creature that he has to cling to you all the time. Otherwise, he has his own things to do. That is the nature of life. Children have their own things to do. You just have to keep one eye open to see that they don't end up doing wrong things for themselves. They don't have to do everything with you. Face any consequence joyfully. So if you want to remarry, that is up to you. That is a choice you have to make. Don't put it on the boy. Make the boy in such a way that he neither needs you nor his father. He's fine by himself. He just needs your support and care, nothing else. Whatever you do, there will be a consequence. If you do not get married, there will be one kind of consequence. If you remarry, there will be another kind of consequence. One you have already experienced, so you may be able to handle it better. We don't know, but both will have their consequences. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.